The devastating impact of climate change is upon us. Our natural habitats and life-supporting ecosystems are at the point of collapse. From oceans to forests to deserts, the University of Exeter is taking action to protect and restore our planet. Through life-changing research and community partnerships, we are rescuing coral reefs, revitalising rainforests, and shaping the response to wildfires. We don't do this alone. Our partnerships with other global leaders, such as the UK Met Office and World Health Organization, protect communities from flooding, fires, and pollution. Our work in environmental intelligence provides organizations with the business-critical data, tools, and skills they need to adapt. We're influencing decision-making in vital sectors such as healthcare, energy, transport, agriculture, and construction. At the University of Exeter, we're committed to preserving our planet and protecting our health, prosperity, and safety. The work we do now is critical. Join us to ensure a sustainable, healthy, and socially just future stays within our reach.